Hello dear fans. How to conduct a modern lesson. The changes taking place in the modern world require new approaches to education and training, forcing to change even such a conservative social system as the school. To conduct a modern school lesson, a teacher must remember about a set of rules that pedagogy of the 21st century follows. Necessary. Computer, interactive whiteboard, modern educational programs. Instructions. Step 1. Use modern technology. Computer classes have now appeared in almost all schools. They are addressed not only in computer science lessons, but also to study other academic disciplines. Interactive whiteboards are a worthy replacement for slate boards. Now crumbling chalk and incomprehensible handwriting of the teacher do not prevent students from visually perceiving all the necessary information in the available tables and diagrams. In literature lessons, analyze illustrations for classic works with your students. Consider maps in geography classes, and documentaries in modern history classes. There are many Russian language programs for elementary grades that allow you to train your spelling and punctuation skills in a playful way. Using technical means, you convey information to children through different organs of perception. Step 2. Conduct integrated lessons more often. Addressing several areas of knowledge will allow you to look at the problem under consideration from different angles. An integrated lesson can include related scientific areas. Thus, it is considered traditional to combine literature with the MHC, music, Russian, and English. Russian romances can become an excellent illustration for many works of the literary classics of the 19th century, and the study of phraseology is possible simultaneously on the basis of French or English phraseological turns. With a skillful approach, even such different areas of knowledge as mathematics and the Russian language turn out to be quite compatible. They will get along quite well together in the lesson, which is consecrated to the names of numbers. Step 3. Follow a differentiated learning approach. The modern school assumes equal attention to every child. If earlier the teacher had to focus on a certain average in the class, leaving strong students to be bored, and weak students to deal with complex material on their own, then modern curricula suggest the presence of different levels of difficulty in each exercise. Give several types of lesson assignments and differentiated home exercises. Step 4. Expand your professional horizons. In order to successfully use modern teaching technologies, the teacher must constantly improve himself and be open to new ideas. Attend refresher courses, order specialized scientific journals, and get acquainted with the development of modern scientific thought in the field you teach. Then your students will also study the world in which they live today. Thanks for watching.